Hi all, welcome back to Codilar tutorials. In this section, we'll explore yet another aspect of managing your downloadable products. Downloadable products are versatile, allowing you to sell digital items like ebooks, music, videos, and software. Let's explore how to configure download options and create a downloadable product step by step. First, let's configure download options. Log into your Magento 2 admin panel. On the admin sidebar, go to Stores, Settings and Configuration. Expand the Catalog section and select Catalog underneath. Scroll down and expand Downloadable Product Options. Let's configure these options one by one. First option is Order Item Status to enable downloads. This option is used to determine the status of the order process when the download becomes available. There are two options, pending or invoice. You can choose the one which you need. Here I'm choosing the pending option. Next option is default maximum number of downloads. This is to set a default limit on the number of downloads that a single customer can make. Another one is shareable option. We can set the shareable option to yes or no. When it is changed to yes, it allows customers to email the download link to others. And when it is no, it prevents the customers from sharing the download link with others by requiring customers to log into their accounts to access the download links. Next one is default sample title. Here we can enter the heading that we want to appear above the selection of samples. Default link title. Here we can enter the default text that we want to use for download links. For next one, choose whether to open links in a new window by providing the option yes or no. The next one is use content disposition. Use content disposition configuration used to determine how downloadable content is delivered. There are two options available. First one is attachment, which delivers the download link by email as an attachment. The other one is inline, which delivers the download link as a link on a web page. Set disable guest checkout if cart contains downloadable items to yes if we want to require that purchases register for a customer account and log in before purchasing a download. After adding all the configurations, click Save Configuration. Now we have configured the download options. Let's see how to create a downloadable product now. On the admin sidebar, go to Catalog, Products, click the down arrow next to Add Product option and choose Downloadable Product. Here, enter all the product needed data such as name, SKU, price. Assign the particular product to the required category. Scroll down and expand the downloadable information section. There you will see an option saying this downloadable product. Enable that checkbox. Next one is download links. Here enter the title for download links which you want to use as a heading for the download links. Select links can be purchased separately if needed. Click Add Link and provide the title, price and choose distribution method like upload file or URL. Set the options shareable, limit downloads and add more links if necessary. Now let's see the samples section. Here enter the title for samples. Click Add Link for each sample providing title and distribution method. Add more samples if needed. Change the order and save. Now, complete the product information such as content, images, and SEO. We have already covered the below mentioned sections in the simple product video creation. Please consult that video for reference. After adding all the required details, set the enable product to yes. Now save the product. Go to the front end and open the particular downloadable product. In the customer account dashboard, the My Downloadable Product page links to each order of downloadable products. Downloads become available when the order is completed. To download a particular product file from the account dashboard, go to the account dashboard and select My Downloadable Products. Find the particular order and click the link. Click on the download icon in the lower right corner of the download window and save the file to the desired location. And there you have it. You have just learned how to create a downloadable product in Magento. Whether you are offering ebooks, software, or any other digital goods, Magento 2 provides you with the tools to showcase and sell your downloadable products seamlessly. Happy selling with Magento 2.